Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with eBay Selling Platform Review My Usage Experience. eBay Selling Platform Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive analysis of your eBay selling performance. It's aimed at eBay sellers who want to optimize their listings, improve sales, and better understand their customer base. Key features likely include sales data analysis, listing performance metrics, and potentially competitor analysis. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. The service positions itself as a tool for data-driven decision-making, emphasizing clear reporting and actionable insights. It boasts ease of use and claims to offer pricing transparency. No hidden fees are mentioned on their site. Availability is likely tied to having an active eBay account. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using eBay Selling Platform Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply connected my eBay account using the provided API access instructions. The entire process took less than 5 minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. I particularly appreciated the visual dashboards that showed my best-selling items, average sale price, and customer demographics at a glance. I was able to quickly identify which product categories were performing well and which needed improvement. The report on listing optimization suggestions was especially helpful. It pinpointed areas where I could improve my photos and descriptions to boost my search ranking. The platform's performance was excellent, data updates were instantaneous and graphs were clear. I had a quick question about interpreting one of the metrics, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the competitor analysis tool, which allowed me to see what similar sellers were charging and how their listings were performing. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Using it on my phone required zooming in quite a bit. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with eBay Selling Platform Review My Usage Experience. It's a powerful tool that has already helped me improve my sales strategy. That's my overview of eBay Selling Platform Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.